How does positional adjustment affect FanGraphs, WAR versus baseball reference WAR? Imagine two different ways of measuring how valuable a baseball player is on the field. Both aim to show how much a player contributes compared to a replacement player. But when it comes to adjusting for the position they play, things get a bit different. That's what we're here to explore today. Positional adjustment is a way to account for how hard or easy it is to fill a certain position on the field. Some positions like catcher or shortstop are more demanding defensively. So, players at these spots get a higher boost in their WAR calculations. Less demanding positions like first base or left field get a lower or even negative adjustment. This helps make sure the WAR number reflects the true value of a player's role. Baseball references WAR includes a specific component called runs saved for the positional adjustment. They look at historical data to see how much more or less valuable each position is compared to the average. They then add or subtract these runs from the player's total. This adjustment is based on metrics like defensive runs saved, which measure how many runs a player saves or costs their team with their defense. FanGraphs WAR also adjusts for position but uses a different method. They relying on a defensive metric called ultimate zone rating, which estimates how many balls a player can catch or get to. FanGraphs then applies a set of values created by analyzing players who switch positions over time. Their adjustments are based on how well players perform defensively at different spots, combined with offensive contributions. Because of these different methods, the same player can have different WAR numbers depending on which site you look at. For example, a shortstop with excellent defensive stats might get a bigger boost in FanGraphs WAR if their UZR ratings are high. But Baseball Reference might give a different adjustment based on their doctor's data. This difference can make a big impact for players at positions with large adjustments like catchers or center fielders. It can also influence how we compare players across different eras or positions. If you're trying to understand a player's true value, it's smart to look at both WAR versions and see how the positional adjustments shape the numbers. In the end, these differences reminded us that WAR isn't a perfect number. It's a tool that depends on the data and methods used. Knowing how positional adjustments work helps us better interpret what these statistics tell us about players past and present.